Until then, we remain committed to do our part in ensuring that the country is secure and safe. And on that note, I would like to assure fellow Kenyans this morning, on behalf of my colleagues, that our country is secure, our country is safe. We had a fairly calm and quiet night last night, and in many parts of the country, our fellow Kenyans are going about their duties as they usually do. And those who, for one reason or another, have not resumed, we want to ask them to resume and continue with their day-to-day activities as we, of course, await the IEBC to complete the process of elections. We will do whatever it takes lawfully and constitutionally to protect lives and property. That is our mandate. It's our responsibility that we intend to execute effectively. And we want to assure everyone that they have nothing to worry about. They should go about their activities without any bother. We are so grateful, and I think on behalf of my colleagues, we would like to thank Kenya's friends and partners who have come to our country as election observers, representing various institutions around the world, various other practitioners who have been involved in this process, including the huge contingent of media practitioners from around the world who have come to our country, that they are still welcome in our country and that they should feel safe and go about whatever business that brought them here, as long as, of course, they're doing it within the law. And we will continue to do our part in ensuring that everything goes on smoothly. So, like all law-abiding citizens, we will continue our activities and we will wait upon the IBC to guide us on how we will move forward with the rest of the electoral processes. And please, Kenyans, let us refrain from any activities that will unduly endanger the security of the country or unduly affect individuals and groups of people. This, of course, includes our behavior and our conduct on social media. Because we have seen, very aggressive social media activity this morning, including claims of riots or claims of unrest, which are not true.